what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Echo YouTube page, the competition for the 2511. We are on video number 5. And right now, we have just done furring, and now we're gonna move into detailing the bear. I'm gonna be using the 2511 the whole time. It's going to be a really fun carve. Now, the thing about when you're doing bear heads is thinking about eyes, nose, and mouth. Because in reality, when you do a chainsaw carving, that is the most important part of the sculpture. It's what everyone looks at. It is what is going to be the focal point, the emphasis. Everything comes to here. So this is where it's going to be the most important. But we've got the ears shaped out. We've got the whole shape of it ready to go. With the bear paws, I'm just going to do indentations here to just silhouette them. I said we would talk about them. When you do bear claws, that's a whole other thing, and it's same with talons and all these different things. Really look at pictures and then understand what they look like. But for the face, now we're gonna do the directional of the fur. Here, I like to do a little, like, I'll take my bar and I'll just kind of shape it. Here's a 501. And what I like to do here is just kind of move the bar. I'm using all parts of the tip of the bar. So this is a 1/4 tip bar, which is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna do right now for detailing, and then we're just gonna cut to a time lapse and you can watch what happens. So I'm gonna jam in the saw like this into the mouth and create the open mouth because it can be exaggerated. And I'm gonna pull it in, and then I'm gonna do a little tongue. We're gonna go cut, spin it, cut, nose, and then I'm gonna shape out the eyes just by using the tip of the bar. And then I'm gonna use power tools. We are gonna get into power tools. I know this is an Echo Tools video, but in all carvings, in the end, we use power tools. And what we're gonna be using is a die grinder. I use Makita. I find Makita to be the best tools for me, and they have a range of everything. We're gonna use a die grinder with the saber tooth eyeball bit to punch in the eyes. And then, oh, there's a big machine driving by. And then we're gonna use Dremels for the detail work. And then create a happy face. And then in the last video, we're gonna do a sign, and then we're just gonna talk. So it's on to burning, which we are going to do in this video. We're gonna burn it with a tiger torch or a blowtorch. I use a tiger torch because it's faster, and then a Sandaflex, which you can watch in my videos to learn about those tools. If you go to Ryan Carvin, you can see all my Tool Talk Tuesday videos where I talk about what tools I use, why I use them, and how to use them. So we're gonna burn it, we're gonna sand it, and then we're gonna make the sign. So let's get to it, and don't forget, this competition, if you want, here are the rules. The rules are here. We'll be giving away a brand new 2511 WES to one lucky winner. Here's what you must do. Number 1, like each video and subscribe to Echo's YouTube page. Look out for the secret letter that'll appear in every video to form a secret word at the end. Number 3, on the final episode, number 6, comment with the secret word. Now that you know the rules for this competition, let's get carving. And I'm gonna give that number a little earlier today. Oh, it's not, no. Now that you know the rules for the competition, let's get carving. And I'm gonna give the letter right now for what you want to enter to win, because you have to enter to win in this contest. It is E. Let's go.
Nice.
So you can see now, we've got the bear basically done. The Sandiflex was the tool that we used to sand it out. I used a little black pen, basically like a felt pen, to darken the eyes, same with the mouth. And then I found this really cool thing. This is gonna be the secret of this video. These paint pens. So the highlights right there, give the accent the eyes. That's Uncle Kevin in the background because the shop is non-stop in the holiday season. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Just remember when you're doing these detail in the bear faces, think about, you know, textures. And one thing to think about also that I find when you're doing character bears, it's all about the faces and the focal points. And this is a little secret that I think that I've really used over the years, which may or may not work. But with these bear heads, I do a heart shape, and you can see the indentation here. It comes around and it ends here. It's like a heart, and that means it's love, and people gravitate towards that. So I will think to myself when I'm carving these bears that that's something that's gonna work. I don't know if it does, but there's something in the brain where you're trying to trick. There's something in the brain that, you know, wants to find shapes. So people, when they look at something and they see something that resembles love, that's what I think happens with, you know, these bear heads. So thank you for watching Echo Tools YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and then the next video will be the final letter. We already gave the letter earlier in the video, so hopefully you already have that. But thank you for watching. The last one will be it, and then it's on. You.